Do you want to add a PDF viewer in WordPress? By embedding PDF files in your website, you can make sure those files always have the same layout, no matter what device the visitor is using. These files can also keep people on your website for longer and add value for your uses. In this video, we'll show you how to add a PDF viewer in WordPress. First, let me show you how to add a PDF viewer using the block editor. For that, go to WordPress dashboard. Now, go to Pages or Posts. Here, I'll be choosing Post. Next, from here select the post where you want to add the PDF viewer. Click on Edit. Once the post editor opens, then click on the plus button to add a new block. After that, start typing in File. And select the file block when it appears. Now, if you've already uploaded your PDF to the WordPress Media Library, then click on the Media Library button and select the PDF that you want to embed. However, since I've not uploaded the PDF file to the Media Library, I'll click on Upload and then choose the PDF file from your computer. Once the file is uploaded, WordPress will automatically choose a size for the embedded PDF. Depending on the size of the file, the default view may not show the full document. However, visitors can zoom in and out and scroll through the PDF using the toolbar settings. From the right panel here, you can change the PDF viewer's height by using the Height in Pixels slide to show more or less of the embedded document. In case visitors want to download a PDF, they can use the download icon in the toolbar and the button below the PDF. To get the download button option, make sure it is enabled in the right-hand menu. Show download button option from here. However, if you don't want to include this duplicate content, then you can toggle this button. Once done, click on Update or Publish to make your changes live. Now if you visit your WordPress website, you'll see the PDF viewer in action. Next, let me show you how to add a PDF viewer in WordPress using a plugin. In this video, we will be using the plugin WP PDF Embedder to add a PDF viewer in WordPress. First, let's install the plugin. For that, go to WordPress dashboard, Plugins, Add New. Now on the search bar type WP PDF Embedder. Once the plugin appears, click Install. And once installed, click Activate. Upon activation, go to WordPress dashboard. Settings. PDF Embedder to configure the plugin's settings. From the main settings tab, you can set the width and height for your PDFs. Most of the time, you can override these default settings when embedding each PDF. To set the width of the PDF, click on the box here and give the dimensions. Similarly, set the height of the PDF from the option below that. From here, you can select the toolbar location. Click on the box here, and from the drop-down, select the location that you want. Now, from the toolbar hover option, select whether you want the toolbar to appear only on a hover-over document or always visible. I'll select Always Visible. So, these were the free features of the plugin. However, if you want more customization options, you can always opt for the premium version of the plugin. Once all the settings are done, click on Save Changes. Now to embed the PDF file, go to the WordPress dashboard. Posts. Select the post where you want to embed the PDF file and click on Edit. Add a file block from the plus sign here. Upload your PDF file. Once the file is uploaded, it will automatically embed using the plugin's viewer. And that's all. Check learnwoo.com for more videos, articles and resources related to websites, WooCommerce and WordPress. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep getting updates on more such videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.